children, in today's class we will learn literacy practice book. This book, all of you take out your literacy practice book too and open page number 4. Open page number 4. This page, and a. We already discussed about uses of and or a. Yes or no? So today we will do this page number 4. Write an or a before each word. So in this page here are some pictures and their names are given. So you have to write only an and a. Use an and a before the word, before the vowel and consonant word. Okay. First one is apple. A-double-P-L is apple. Apple first letter is A. It means vowel. So right before apple, write N. A and N. Second one is book. B is consonant. So write A. A book. Third one is rope. Rope. R is consonant. So write A. Fourth one, egg. Egg. E is vowel. So write N. Next one is igloo. Igloo. I is vowel. So write N. Horse. H is consonant. So write A. Okay. Okay. First page number 4. See next page number 5. Describing words. Underline the describing words. Underline the describing words. Describing words also we also discuss the concept of describing word also. So underline the describing word. First one is blue sheep. Blue sheep. Blue, the word blue describes sheep is blue. So blue is describing word. Blue is describing word. Second one is sad girl. Sad word describe girl is sad. It means sad is describing word. If underline. Next one is a small butterfly. Butterfly is small. Small describe. Butterfly is small. Small is describing word. Next one is full jug. Jug is full. Full is describing word. Hard rock. Rock is hard. Hard is describing word. Last one is cold juice. Juice is cold. Cold is describing word. Okay. So you have to also do this page number 5. 4 and 5. Okay, turn the page number 6. Page number 6. This is also describing words. Look at the pictures. Circle the correct words. Here some pictures are given and some words are given. So you have to circle only the correct word. A heavy or a heavy oblique empty bag. See the picture of bag. Bag is heavy or empty? Heavy. So circle on heavy. Number 1. Circle on heavy. H-E-A-V-Y. Heavy. Bag is heavy. Heavy bag. A red oblique old head. Head is red in color or old? Head is have to circle on old. This is my brown or hot teddy bear. Teddy bear is hot or brown in color. Teddy bear is brown. So circle on brown. Number 3 is brown. Number 4. Children are swimming in a cool water, a cool pool or dirty pool. Cool pool. Pool is cool. Cool pool. Circle on cool. Number 3, cool. Last one, fifth one. Look at the cold/fat hen. Hen is fat or cold? Hen is fat. Number 5 is fat. Okay. So this page is also finished. Next, page number 7. This one is also describing word. Page number 7. Look at the picture. Here one picture of one girl. Write the describing words from the box. First look at this picture. One girl picture, teddy bear, teddy bear, ball, and here some objects are given. A small, big, red, long. So you have to fill up this, fill in the blanks. This is Maya. Girl name is Maya. Maya is wearing a dress. Maya is wearing a what dress? Small dress, big dress, red dress or long dress? Maya is wearing a red dress. Number 1, in number 1, let's write red. R-E-D, red. Maya is wearing a red dress. She has a dash ball. She has a small ball, big ball, red ball or long ball. She has a small ball. She has a small ball. Number 3, she has dash hair. She has small, big, red, long. What? She has long hair. Number 4, she has a dash teddy bear. She has a big teddy bear. Big teddy bear. Okay, so dear children, you have to do these pages, page number 4, 5, 6 and 7 in your literacy practice book 2. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, thank you.